One of the best opportunities in crypto right now is the ASTER Stage 2 airdrop. You have about 10 days to still qualify, and this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do that. They're giving away 4% of the supply to traders like you and me, which is over $750 million. So join my team down below. There's a code or an invite link. You can use either of those to start earning some points on the platform. I'm going to show you exactly how to qualify for this and get stuck into the best opportunity in crypto right now. If you enjoy this content, smash a like, smash a sub, and let's dive straight in. All right, so here it is. This is the ASTER platform. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial. We're going to talk about how you can earn some points before the cutoff in about 10 days' time. We're going to talk about some different strategies that you can use. We're going to talk about joining my team, which you can sign up down below. Join the team. You can use the code if you're already signed up, but if you aren't signed up, sign up with the link down below, guys, because you have, as I said before, around 10 days to get stuck into this perps platform and their stage 2 airdrop, which is around 4% of the supply. And obviously that fluctuates depending on the ASTER price action, but right now that sits around $2, so it's pretty juicy. Hundreds of millions of dollars for this airdrop. Then we're going to talk about some settings that you need to set up and the difference between obviously onboarding, offboarding your cash, and also getting stuck into the different ways that you can sign up, whether that's email or whether that's actually using a wallet. But here's the platform, guys. Once you obviously have clicked the link, you'll be able to join and it'll look like this. Okay, you're going to redeem the code so you can join my team. And why you want to do that is because you actually get points from other people in your team, and you get points from the team who have been trading already on the platform. And inside GTG, which you can check out down below as well, our trading group, where you can join over 500 members and myself who have been trading crypto for many, many years now. But we have been doing this for basically the past week. So we have joined our team together and we already have been accumulating some points. So why not join that and boost your chances? So you click the redeem, okay? Then you're going to connect one of your two wallets, EVM chain, Solana chain, okay? Ultimately, a lot of people, it makes a lot of sense probably to go with MetaMask because it's EVM compatible, which also means it's BSC, so Binance Smart Chain or Binance efficiency. So in other words, you can use your Binance wallet to connect to your to the ASTER platform and get your cash over really easy because you can send some money straight to your MetaMask Binance chain wallet. But more on that later. But let's go back here, guys. So essentially what we look at here is decentralized perpetual, goodness me, chain. So essentially it's an on-chain DEX platform where you can trade perps, so leverage in a range of different ways. So let's dive in and actually have a look with why this is such a significant airdrop. So we have a look here. Stage 2 ends literally in about 10 days time, as I said before, 23:59, so basically midnight on October 5th. They have 2 epochs left, which users can still trade to earn the RH points. 4%, as I said before, of the ASTER supply is being allocated during this stage. So that's why you want to kickstart your points right now. And we'll talk about how to earn some of those points very shortly. But essentially, stage 3 kicks off straight away. Okay, and it's going to include spot trades rather than perps or futures at the moment, and refresh rewards. So always stay tuned because this is going to be ongoing for the foreseeable future. But basically, they give you a really nice rundown on the ASTER_DEX platform on Twitter, which you can use, guys, basically there as well. But yeah, basically, here are some of the ways that you can start farming some points. So basically, holding any spot trades at the moment. Now, whilst that doesn't directly earn you a lot of points, you can use it, as I have here, as collateral. So in other words, if you're cross trading, okay, you can obviously hold USDF, which we'll talk about shortly on the platform. You can obviously hold ASTER on the platform in a spot way, okay, and you will be rewarded as your portfolio grows and as your portfolio holds this over time as we transition from stage 2 into stage 3. But obviously, you can trade futures at the moment, which is your perpetuals. You can join a team, as I just said, and ours is down below. Trading volume obviously goes towards it. Holding time of trades, this is a big one, okay, that a lot of people are probably under farming or under misunderstanding, is that you can actually hold some of the trades for longer and you'll earn more RH points over time. And then we're going to talk about this one as well. So the amount of team RH points that you can earn per hour, and if it is about 1.5 million, you start to get some bonuses as well on the platform. So that's why, as I said before, again, you help me, I help you. It's how we can all grow together over the next 10 days and lock in the stage 2, and then obviously look to stage 3 when that starts to unlock in the coming weeks. We're going to talk a little bit, obviously, throughout this video about what the platform looks like, how to get started on there, how to onboard, so deposit, how to withdraw, okay, all the chains that you can all use, all the different wallets. But guys, please remember, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Trading with leverage is extremely risky, okay? Please do some research. Maybe check out GTG where you can chat with us. Some of the pros in there have been trading for a long, long time, so we can help support your crypto journey. But yeah, make sure you do know that this is not financial advice, and it is really risky to be trading crypto with leverage. But let's dive in. Okay, So this is what the platform looks like. So once we get stuck into the actual rewards, so we're going to talk about the rewards because I think this is a big part of it. Now, as you can see here, I have connected using my email address. Now, I would highly recommend you can use the platform to trade. As you can see here, my team, our team has got 66,000 points. Okay, myself, I got 84,000 points because I've been trading a little bit. As you can see over here, I got some trading points in the past couple of hours. As you can see, our team boost is currently at 1.15. If we can bump that up to 1.5 million RH points, then we will go to a 1.15 boost, as we are currently at 1.1. Okay, so this is why the team part of this is why it's actually super lucrative for everyone involved. But essentially, why it's important to understand that maybe you want to connect with your wallet, which I'll show you on the other screen in a second, is that if you connect with email, you do have limited features. So if I come to the USDF part, which is essentially the collateralized stablecoin that they have created, which is, again, it's just a different type of stablecoin. But basically, as you can see here, please disconnect the email wallet and switch to your private key wallet. So again, probably would suggest if you have a MetaMask wallet, you can connect it. If you have a Phantom wallet, it also works. But again, I would prefer probably MetaMask because I can already embed Binance Smart Chain to that, okay, and send money from my other centralized exchange straight to my MetaMask wallet and then onboard that directly using Binance Smart Chain, okay. Or again, as you can see here, I can just deposit far right, but otherwise you have limited features if you do only sign up with the email address, so do be aware of that as well. Now, I did take some trades just before. I took a BTC long, as you can see over here, and I made about $3. Again, that was only because I had about $20 in the account, so really nice quick swing trade on there. And again, any volume that you're farming, okay, any volume that the team is farming at the moment is how you can get stuck in and really capitalize on this reward. So how do you actually earn points? We discussed that before, but as you can see here, we've been earning points already, so check out the link, and here's all the people in the team. So some people who have joined have a bunch of points. This person here has 350,000 points, well above me. Okay, this person here is a little bit below me, so they've only just started in the past day or so. So this is a really easy way to get started. Now, I'm going to show you the full platform now. I'm going to connect, obviously, with my wallet, not my email, and I'm going to show you how that actually works. All right, so as you can see here, guys, over in the top right hand screen, it's connected to my MetaMask wallet, connected to the Binance Smart Chain, and that is how I could deposit some money onto the platform and obviously withdraw off the platform as well. As you can see here, this is a different platform. As you can see, I'm part of Greeny's team here, as it shows me, which have accumulated 655,000 RH points already. We're gunning for that top 10K position. So overall right now, GTG and the wider Greeny community who follows me on Twitter, here on YouTube, all these sorts of things, we are currently ranked 78K on the platform. And we do have another 3 days for Epoch 3. Then the next Epoch, which is the last week, as I said, up until October 5th. Hopefully we can get into the top 10K. So keep trading, keep checking this out. And if you want to talk to us about this, anything in ASTER, check out GTG, as I said earlier before. Now, how do you actually onboard and some of the settings? Let's talk about that. So over on the right-hand side is your settings tab, guys. And what you're looking at over here is the two different things you need to talk about. So the first one is multi-asset versus single asset. So basically what that means is, what do you want to use as collateral, or what do you want to use as margin? So I would, again, highly recommend, because they've inbuilt a USDF, okay, as their stablecoin, or you have obviously some other assets in there, like maybe Bitcoin or maybe ASTER on the platform, you can use them as collateral, or you can use that as you're essentially trading against that particular asset. So I'll always tick multi-asset here. Again, if you're someone that wants to be a little bit safer, you can obviously just tick USDT and just use Tether USD to essentially trade. But I'm going to use multi-asset again. And again, you can read through all this and it tells you how the contracts are made, okay, across the different margin assets. So that's the first one you need to do. And again, you need to tick these off at the start, because otherwise, if you do start trading, you can't go and change these after the fact. The second one is position made. Now, this is, again, as I said before, leverage is a tool. Please be safe on the platform. But ultimately, what you're looking at here is two different ways that you can trade. One way made is essentially you can only look to long at one particular time, or you can only short at one particular time. Hedge mode allows you, as it says here, to hold positions in both the long sense, so you're looking at for price to go up, or the short sense, so you're wanting to short price action. So this allows me to trade two directions at the same time. Again, I know what I'm doing. I've spent a long time trading in this market, so I'm going to click hedge mode. Again, if you can't trust yourself, or you just don't want that risk, then you click one-way mode there as well. Now, once you've done that, guys, as you can see here, order confirmation. Again, you want to have all of these ticked on. That's how I get notifications. These are all the things that I want to be aware of, okay, and I have them all up to date. Outside that, it's very simple. They have a range of different languages. You can connect notifications via Discord or Telegram. I haven't personally done that, but you can obviously do that. And that's pretty much the whole setting. So that's really how you can get started. Now let's look at a few other things. Again, they have inbuilt tutorials. We're not going to dive into that. June analytics for the volume, how many traders, how many transactions, X community, all this stuff inbuilt to the platform. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. But ultimately, you can go read these at any time. They have all the docs in there as well. You can go read the white paper, etc., etc. We're going to try and keep this really basic tutorial, really beginner level, so you can understand how to go about it and start ticking off this particular airdrop. Just a reminder that stage 2 is focused primarily on the perp side. So this side over here where you are using leverage. Spot is going to be stage 3, which is dropping in the near future. Now, if we have a little bit more, airdrop is all here. Again, you can read about this. Okay, check eligibility. Obviously, join the team. Okay, check it out down below. Start trading, and you can start to earn some RH points. Okay, which is going to be over here, like I showed you before. Rewards points. As you can see, my current ranking is 78k. As a team of Greeny's team. And that's the points as we have together. And you do get points for being in that team, as I said before. Now, obviously, anything else you have, guys, let me know down below. But there's a few other 2 features that I want to just talk about. Okay, USDF is essentially their fully collateralized, goodness me, stablecoin, which is backed obviously by crypto assets corresponding to short-term future positions. You can stake to mint their official payout, which gets you a 15% APY. Again, make sure you understand the tax implications, okay, the income implications of obviously staking and yield in crypto, because it is very much country specific across the world. But again, you can read about this, but that's a platform that you can use obviously as collateral if you're looking to trade with their indirect stablecoin rather than USDT. But again, as I said before, it depends on what your preference is in the space. And then lastly, they do have an earn tab as well. So again, you can come and stake different opportunities over here, mint this and get an APY of around 6 to 24%. As always, please do your research and understand how these pools work, how much is actually invested, TVL, and all those sorts of things, because this is very, very risky stuff. And obviously, if you click on the ecosystem tab, you can use PancakeSwap, which is basically the DEX for Binance Smart Chain or Binance BNB token. So that's all self-explanatory, nice and there. But let me deposit. I'll put some money on just to show you how that actually works. Okay, so this is how you deposit and withdraw money on the platform. As I said before, because I've connected my MetaMask wallet using the Binance Smart Chain, I can also deposit that because it is EVM compatible, which is essentially means I can use Matic, I can use Arbitrum, I can use Ethereum, I can use Base, etc., etc. However, this platform only allows you to deposit with only a couple of blockchains. So it's either Binance Smart Chain or BNB chain, Ethereum or Arbitrum. Now, I have cash in my Ethereum wallet on my MetaMask. So that's going to allow me to use this, as you can see here, to potentially deposit onto the platform. Again, it can take, as you can see here, 5 to 10 minutes for Ethereum. Arbitrum is around the same. Okay, again, it's going to ask you to swap if you want to go to Arbitrum. You obviously need to bridge money to your Arbitrum wallet or send it there directly from a centralized exchange. Same process for BNB. Okay, if I want to deposit money here and I want it to be actually USDT, it's going to prompt me again on my MetaMask wallet if I don't have money in that wallet. Now, because I do have money from Ethereum, I'm going to send some money here and start trading on this wallet. So let's do $100. Okay, so perpetual, I'm going to send it to my perps account because I'm going to be trading on perps. Ethereum, that's where I've got money from my MetaMask wallet. Again, just to show you how that works. Bang, over here, got some money there, as you can see. And as you can see, I've got 12 grand. I'm going to just deposit $100. Okay, well, let's do 50 just to always do a small transaction first. Then you can send the amount that you want to after. Approve it. Okay. So as you can see here, it's going to prompt you to approve the transaction. That's just to allow me to use the funds on my Ethereum wallet to actually send it to the platform. Now, once you've done that, you can obviously come here again, go to the overview tab, click deposit, whether you want it in perps or spot. Click it right here. Okay. Going to use the money here as well. Click $50 like this. Okay. And deposit, and it'll prompt me on MetaMask over here. You'll see $50 over on the side, a little bit for gas, and confirm. And then, as I said before, in about 5 to 10 minutes, this $50 will be on the platform. And as you can see, waiting for on-chain confirmation to occur. Okay, bang, guys, my $50 has arrived, as you can see here. So the deposit and withdrawal works safe. Okay, if you want to withdraw, I'll show you how to do that. But basically, you can take the $50 here. You can trade it straight away. If you want to withdraw, come to the deposit tab, click withdraw over here. And as you can see, my $50 is there. Pay a bit for gas in USDT, and I can withdraw back to my MetaMask wallet. If you have any questions, let me know down below. More than happy to help you out. And if you want, you can join us at GTG. We've been printing money and helping many people grow their portfolio and their crypto knowledge over the past 2 years. You can join us down below using the wap.com link. And hopefully, I'll see you in that very, very soon. As always, take care, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.